Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the Google Cloud Arcade program. Google Cloud Arcade is a free, fun, hands-on learning program where you can learn Google Cloud technologies by completing practical labs and challenges. Many of us don't get the opportunity to work directly with the cloud technologies. There are many reasons for that. We may not get real projects where we can practice cloud concepts. Using cloud services usually requires an active subscription, which can be expensive. But learning cloud technology is becoming more and more important for every developer. That's why I feel this program is a great opportunity for people like us. I'm not sure about everyone, but I can confidently say that I learned most of my cloud concepts through this program. And it's not just about learning. You can also earn some really cool Google Cloud swag. For example, these are the goodies I received during one of the previous arcade seasons. Now let's see how this program works. The Google Cloud Arcade program runs every year. Earlier, there were two seasons, one from January to June and another from July to December. But recently, Google changed it to a single season that runs from January to December. The program is made up of different games. Each game contains a set of guided hands on labs. These labs teach real world cloud skills like virtual machines, cloud storage, BigQuery, Kubernetes, and many more. As you complete these labs, you earn Google Cloud Skill badges. You can even showcase these badges on platforms like LinkedIn. Along with the badges, you also earn arcade points. At the end of the season, you can use these points to claim Google Cloud swag like hoodies, backpacks, thermal printers, fancy table lamps, and other branded gifts. The program also follows a milestone system that rewards consistent learning. This is the official arcade page. Here you can see the number of points required for each tier. There are 4 tiers: Trooper, Ranger, Champion, and Legend. These are the arcade games available for this month. New games are added every month. To start a game, simply copy the access code and click the start button. Since I am already enrolled, it directly opens this page. If you are using it for the first time, you will first need to sign in and enter the access code before you reach this page. Here you can see all the labs that need to be completed. Open the lab, click Start Lab, and simply follow the step-by-step instructions. Once your work is verified, you can end the lab. Complete all the required labs and you will earn the skill badge. Every time you earn a skill badge, you will also receive arcade points. Usually, you can earn around 6 skill badges every month. Now, you might be wondering, there are only 6 months left. How can I collect enough points to reach the Legend tier or even the Trooper tier? That's where the Arcade Facilitator program comes in. If you enroll in the Facilitator program, you can earn bonus arcade points by completing milestones. For example, after completing 6 arcade games and earning 18 skill badges, you will complete the first milestone and receive 5 bonus points. As you complete more milestones, you can earn up to 80 arcade points. On top of that, this year Google has introduced an additional bonus milestone. If you earn 4 gear skill badges, you'll receive 10 extra bonus points. Now I hope you are excited to join this amazing program. Let me show you how to enroll. Visit this URL and fill in your details. Don't forget to use this facilitator code while registering. I have mentioned the URL and the facilitator code in the description. Please register as soon as possible because the enrollment window closes on the 20th of this month or even earlier if all the seats are filled. Remember, only a limited number of seats are available. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. So don't miss this opportunity. Join the Google Cloud Arcade program, improve your cloud skills, earn valuable skill badges, and collect some awesome Google Cloud swag. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye friends.